Now some costs stay fixed for a certain number of units and then jump up by a certain amount at the discrete point or activity level, and then it stays fixed again. So let's look at an example of this. So in our table making company, we use nails to join the pieces of wood together to make the final table, and the nails we buy in boxes of 200. So we can't buy them separately or in loose nails. So we buy 200 at a time, and that cost us 200. Now when we made the first table, we counted the nails that we used and we saw we used 40 per table. So let's plot these costs on our cost behavior graph to see how this cost behaves. So when we make the first table, we need 40 nails, and that means we need to buy a box of nails, and we'll get 200, but we only use 40. So it will cost us 200 to buy this box. Now when we increase our production to 2 units, 2 tables, so 2 times 40, then we'll need 80 nails. So we still only need 1 box of nails because there's more than enough to make our 2 tables. So our cost stays 200. So whether it's 1 table or 2 tables, we'll only pay 200 for nails. And that will stay the same even if we make 5 tables. So 5 times 40 nails will be 200. So that's we'll have just enough when we buy 1 box of nails, but it'll only cost us 200. So you can see it's like a fixed cost. But now what happens if we make 1 more, so 6 tables? So when we make 6 tables, we need 6 times 40, so that's 240 nails. There's not enough in 1 box, so we have to buy a second box of nails. So at 200, 2 boxes would cost us 400. So our total cost for nails, which is a raw material, would be 400. That's if we make 6 tables. And that will stay the same up until 10 tables. So when we make 10 tables at 40, it'll be 400 nails required, and that's exactly how much we get from 2 boxes. So our cost for nails would still be 400. So you can see it stays fixed from 6 to 10. And then if we produce 11 tables, we have to buy an additional box, so it'll jump up again. So you can see a step cost is a cost that stays fixed for a certain number of units or activity level, and then jumps up at a certain point and then stays fixed again. And that's also sometimes referred to as a semi-fixed cost in other material and textbook. But step cost is a more descriptive term. So that's a step cost.